From this video, you will learn that did you know question that these guys used to make $27 million hypothetically using no more than 3 minutes of their times and in 3 simple steps using a method that my software Epic is built for. Good news, Epic is coming for you for free. Link is in the description, go get it. I will also show you how famous YouTuber KSI lost $2.8 million overnight so you can avoid losing a single penny and only make money using every moment you spend online. So you will be making money even if you are looking at memes or images, watching videos or reading content or articles. And the best part, my software Epic will take 99% of the workload on your behalf using artificial intelligence. Get Epic from the link in the description. We make $1,000 to $5,000 per day using the exact same system, and you can make that too. This system is 100% beginner friendly and you can start doing it and start making money starting today without any website, without hosting server, without creating products, without driving traffic, without any experience and without technical knowledge. You can get paid using PayPal, using bank transfer, using Stripe or any other methods including crypto or digital currency. Before we begin, I want to introduce today's sponsor. Our today's sponsor for this video is none other than you. We would love to have you as our sponsor, and I'm sure you will love it too because you don't have to spend any money. All you have to do is become a part of the noble mission of helping 100 million individuals and families get rid of their financial distress by earning online. We want only 2 things from our sponsors, which is you. Simply hit the like button below this video and share this video with your friends and family. Share in social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter. Message your social media contacts, the social media groups that you are a part of, and private chat groups and WhatsApp chat groups. This is the only way you can help us reach 100 million individuals and families and help them with the right direction, right education on how to make money online the right way, the easy way, and the fun way without wasting time, without wasting money and energy. So go ahead, hit the like button, share this video. By the way, if you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as a most important viewer when we will upload our next how to make money online video. So the chance for the beginners to get fast results in Did You Know method is super high. We know this system works because right now we follow the same system and get visitors from YouTube 100% free using 3 minutes of work with our software Epic, and we make $5 from every visitor we get from our videos, $5,000 from 1,000 visitors, and we recently made over $60,000 from 2 of our offers, basically from 12,000 visitors that we get from our video. To make these videos, we use our software Epic. If you hate being on the camera, I have a good news for you because we don't need to use cameras. Epic allows us to make videos using simply copying and pasting free images, links, and texts. We don't need to record our voice using microphone because Epic makes natural voice over using text-to-voice technology. Epic writes the scripts for our videos using built-in artificial intelligence with a push of a button. And all the Epic users get the same benefits. All our users get full access to all our videos as well. From inside their user dashboard, they can use our videos as templates and make their own videos using our videos as templates. But we're not going to stop there. We will show you how these guys making so much money using the simple Did You Know method and how you can start making the same money starting today. Popular YouTuber KSI lost $2.8 million a few days ago from his Terra Luna crypto investment. $2.8 million is definitely a big number for a lot of us, but not for KSI because he already makes a lot of money, so he can play with his money. But look at his past. KSI started his career on YouTube and he has numerous YouTube channels. He is 100% active on YouTube. His original channel has 23 million subscribers and 5.86 billion views. Another channel has a 15.2 million subscribers and has got 3.43 billion views. So according to Google, if he makes $3 to $5 from 1,000 video views, he has already made $27.89 million from the two channels from YouTube AdSense alone. He makes a lot more money from affiliate marketing and brand deals, of course. And look at all these channels he has got. He keeps creating new channels, doing a lot of collabs with other big YouTubers, so you can have a quick idea about how much money he makes. He basically uses YouTube as his primary source of income, which is millions per month. Now he has all the channels and audience that keeps generating views and traffic. He can make money in many different ways, including our classic way, affiliate marketing. Using affiliate marketing, we make $5 from every visitor we get from our YouTube views from the videos we make using our software Epic. And just from two of our own offers, we made over $60,000 from 12,000 visitors. I will show you more details and how you can make the same in a moment. Stay tuned. Instead of losing money, you can start making money just like us using my software Epic. The free access link is in the description. Look at this channel here. This channel name is Did You Know? This Did You Know channel has 15.9 million views so far, and all their videos are interesting videos, but all the information are free information collected from the internet, and they simply put the images and a little bit of text and a little bit of background music together to make the videos. And look, they have thousands of views from each video. People love their videos. Now we are making $5 from each visitor we get from our videos, so you can hypothetically say that Did You Know channel has made 15.9 times $5, which is $79.5 million from their videos. Not bad at all. This is just an assumption, but it's definitely possible. And they're probably making far more money from, again, brand deals and affiliate marketing. Another similar channel, Brightside, is an old channel and has 43.4 million subscribers and over 9.84 billion views. What you should do now, simply take ideas from these channels, use my software Epic and start making videos. Get views and drive all your views and visitors to your affiliate links embedded in the description. That's all it takes to start making money online. Look here, I just searched with the keyword facts about, and the first video got 6.8 million views and the second one got 3.1 million views, 4.9 million views and 8.9 million views. By the way, these are short videos, shorts. 1 minute long videos. Another shorts got 1.8 million views, another one got 14 million views, 2.3 million views and 700,000 views, 1.6 million views, 7.7 million views. Wow, amazing numbers. For 1 minute videos, you can make all these videos using Epic. Okay, question, why did I talk about short videos? Because shorts is a new feature for YouTube, and YouTube is trying to make it popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So YouTube is promoting shorts and shorts creators heavily, and it makes our life super easy because it's just 1 minute video and it can be made using amazing AI software like Epic in just 3 minutes. And we are getting free promotions from YouTube. YouTube sends hundreds of views to our shorts without any effort, any SEO or anything whatsoever. Let's make a product review video using Epic. First, copy the headline, go to the text section and paste the text. Click the add text button to add the text on the canvas. Now here is a beautiful thing. You can copy image address or the link or the URL, go to the image section and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be on the canvas without uploading or downloading hassle. Now add a voiceover, go to the audio section and go down below text to audio, give it a title, select your favorite voiceover artist and paste the text. Then one click of a button and the voiceover is ready. You can use the text to generator artificial intelligence to generate unique text for you anytime you want for anything you want. Now we want to add another clip. For that, go to the top right section and clone the current clip. Let's play with the image size a little bit to fit the image and make room for some text. Copy this product detail text from Amazon and paste it here. Do a little customization and add the text on the canvas. Then play with the size, shape and location to match your taste. Change the type of font if you want. Take a little section from the text and turn it into your audio voiceover. Let's add another clip and upload an image. Image is uploaded and added into the canvas. Add another image, rotate and pan. Play around a little bit to match your taste. This is the technical details section and we need to add another voiceover using text to audio. For the next section, we will take screenshot of a positive feedback or a review from customers. Use the highlighting elements to highlight the important parts of the review. Upload the review on another clip. Name this section as customer review section and copy the link of another image. Add it on the canvas by pasting the link. Little panning and zooming to fit your taste. Take a section of the text and create an text audio voiceover. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be ready in the backend and you will be notified using email when the video is ready.
Sunny Health and Fitness Unisex Adult Review. Features include heavy-duty frame, constructed with premium quality, Olympic plate storage, comes with safety clips, organize weights on racks while adding extra stability when utilizing the machine. By the way, weights not included. And Olympic bars fits up to 7 feet. All other technical details are here. Here is a customer review. The rack is sturdy and pretty easy to assemble. Everything seemed to fit together smoothly. I have used it for squats, bench, and pull-ups since installing without issue. If you are going to go extremely heavy like around 350 on bench, you might want to bolt to the floor. My standard Olympic bar fits without issue. If you are looking for a solid rack and don't care about accessories, then this is a good half rack. Buy it from the link in the first comment and in description.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way and the fun way. In return, I want a simple favor from you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. Also, you can help your friends and family and social media contacts with learning how to make money online by sharing this video with them. Do that and they will love you. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customer and they will refer more customers to you, helping you make more and more money. Plus, you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video and we will see you in the next video.